At first, I didn't know what the Boppy pillow was until I saw it for the first time at my baby shower.
I learned about the Boppy pillow through all my friends. All my friends that have babies all use Boppy and they love it.
I've used the Boppy pillow to nurse both of my children, and it has made my life so much easier.
With a lot of my plate, it's great to have products that are simple and convenient. You don't have to think about moving parts or add-ons. It's just basic and perfect.
I love how my Boppy pillow is so versatile and comfortable. It's easy to take care of. It's easy to schlep around everywhere. It's a great tool for me to have.
We use the Boppy pillow not only for breastfeeding, but we also use it on the floor for tummy time. I use it for propping her up, and I also use it to help her now that she's starting to sit.
Another thing I love about the Boppy pillow is that you can unzip it, take the pillow out, and wash both of them. The Boppy pillow is just comfortable, not only for me, but for the baby. It's just natural. Even if you don't know what a Boppy pillow is, I promise you, get one, you'll use it all the time. It's so comfortable.
I had no idea how much I'd be breastfeeding and using this pillow, so I would recommend it to every mom.